Alright, today I'm going to take this and this, I'm going to melt them down, and I'm going to make myself a set of soft jaws for my vise. And I'm going to use aluminum because that's what I have. A lot of people, I think, would prefer mild steel, but hey, you know what? These are soft jaws, they're sacrificial. I'm going to go ahead and use what I have. Now, this is roughly 36 pop cans. Now, I've been told pop cans don't machine very well because they're made from an extruded grade of aluminum. But we're going to go ahead and put that to the test and see how it goes. Alright, so I'm going to let that warm up a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and add the aluminum. Now, I've also been told that you should use flux. So what I did, I got some soda ash from Amazon, and actually it worked really, really well last time. I had almost zero air bubbles. It poured really nice, and after I machined it, the porosity was really good. It was not very porous at all. So I'm going to add about a teaspoon of this once it becomes molten. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. You can see it's starting to melt a little bit. This is a step that's pretty important, and you always want to heat your mold. Okay, you still hear a little hissing. Don't worry, that's not gas. That is the air. And skim the top off here. Okay. I'm going to fill it nice and full because the center is really going to shrink a lot. Now I have a little extra. I'll pour that off. Looks like I overflowed a little bit here. It's fine. I'm going to tap the mold a little bit. And let it cool for a bit. And then we'll go ahead and machine that up. Okay, you can see right off the bat, we're going to have to take a lot off the top to get down to something usable. So first thing I'm going to do is just mill the top flat. Alright, got it all deburred. Go ahead and make it parallel. I don't know. I'm going to try something different. I'm going to try taking small amounts to full width. You guys that are machinists, tell me if this is really dumb, if I should do it how I did it before, or if there's a completely different way I should do it. Let me know. Well, it's a little bit chattery. I probably have a little too much extension. I also have it in a drill chuck, not an end mill holder. A lot of things contribute, but this is, sacrificial soft jaws, and I'm not making anything precision out here, just, fixing stuff, so it'll do. All right, let's deburr it. Well, not too bad. Now, when I run the higher RPMs, it sounds horrific, but it actually does a lot nicer job. So you guys can tell me if it's bad that it's screeching like that or not. Well, there it is. 36 pop cans milled down to a nice piece of aluminum. Now I will actually size it to match the one I've made before, and then I'll put the holes in, and then I'll mill a step in. But that's probably going to be for another video. So, thanks for watching. If you have any advice, if you're a professional machinist or a programmer or a tool maker, if you see anything that I could improve, let me know. And we'll go from there. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And remember, survival is a state of mind.